We don't know what this is. We're not sure we want to know. There's something going on in our neighborhood. It's after dark. You can't see a damn thing out there. I think you can hear it though. I was sitting at my desk. I thought it was a power tool. I thought, well, are they sawing down trees again? They're always removing bushes. And so this is what we've got. We're not sure what's going on. We're really not sure. Band practice? That must be. Oh, I gotta go downstairs. And do you hear that, Bill? There's a hell of a racket out there. We gotta see what this is. This is technically kind of a mess, but yeah, I gotta see what's going on out here. Let me get my shoes on. Here we are. Here we are. Don't have any visuals here. This is a couple yards over. If it's band practice, they need to practice some more. Yeah, I think they're just trying to make as much noise as possible here. I better be careful, I don't want the cat coming out. Bloody cold down here. I don't know what's going on. I thought they were sawing down trees. You know, when our neighbors moved out, we thought we were done with loud parties. We really hoped. I'm not sure what's going on over there. Oh, I can't stay out in the cold. You kidding me? Holy crap. Well, that was weird. What the hell was that? God, I live in a weird neighborhood. And there's not coyotes howling and raccoons and skunks and owls. And there's weird neighbors. God.